Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 Acura MDX SH all-wheel drive with the technology package. This one is white. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6 with 290 horsepower and 267 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 20-inch alloys. Black leather interior with a wood trim. Rear climate controls, rear USB ports, third row seating, trailer hitch, MDX SH all-wheel drive badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, fold down third row seats, blind spot assist, keyless entry, memory seats, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, pedal shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, rear view backup camera, navigation, touchscreen media display, dual climate controls, hard keys for our media display, automatic transmission. This MDX has 54,922 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Acura MDX, visit us at feldmannimports.com.